Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, follow me on all my socials, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl upload another video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So today we are doing a nail tutorial. I'm going to show you how I apply my press-on nails. So let's get right into the video. So first, I got my nails here and they are clean. I'm gonna take my buffer and I'm just buffing the surface at the top so that the glue can have something to stick on. If not, your nails will surely fall off. And we don't want that, do we? No, we don't. So we are filing, just giving it a little rough, right? We're rough it up right this. Right this. So we're rough it up. So after we're done rough it up now, we're gonna start apply the nails. But you know, you have to rough up all of it, because if we don't rough up all of it, girl, the nails them are gonna fall off. Yeah, so now that we're rough it up now and we're rough, now I laid out my nails. These are some nice press-on nails I got from I think I got these from the beauty supply store, but they are Kiss nails, and this is the pink glue that you use to apply the nails. So let me show you what we finna do. First of all, we have to measure the nails on our fingers. This one is perfect, but I'm going to like just rough up the edges a little bit, then, you know, apply our little glue. Let's apply our glue. You don't want to use too much glue, so that amount of glue should be good enough for it. And then you want to put it down, but make sure all the glue is covered the nail. So, and you hold that down. Make sure there are no bubbles or anything in it. So, and there we go. So that's one. We like it. Now I wanted to use these ones with the rhinestones on this finger, but these ones don't fit, so I'm finna try another one. This one fits perfectly, so we're gonna try the one that fits perfect. Bam, that one fits perfectly. Now we're gonna do the same thing with this one, and just a little dab of glue on it. Make sure you get the bubbles out and lay the nail flat down so the application is flawless. We're looking for flawless application, guys. You want the application to be flawless, right? So yeah, there's no bubbles, as you can see, no bubbles, and the application is flawless. Next, we're gonna take the other one. And for this one, I want to use these, the ones with the pretty design on it, for the middle finger, index. That's not your index finger, you dumbass. Guys, I trip myself out every day, but we're gonna do the same thing with this one. A little bit of glue. Make sure you take the bubbles out and apply. Should get a flawless application that way. Nice. See, no bubbles, and it is flawless. You want to press that down. Keep pressing down a little bit. Oh, look at that. There we go. Yeah, girl, yeah. Now you want our big finger, not our big finger, this finger. And this one is perfect, so we're gonna do this one on this one. And guys, we are at 624 subscribers. Can you believe it? I am so like, it's everything. So I put too much glue on this one. Ooh, oh my god, I'm messing everything up. So I put some off, and then we're just gonna apply this one. We're still going to get that flawless finish, don't worry about that. If you put a little bit too much glue, just tap some of the glue off like I did right there. Ooh, look what I did. tap some of the glue off and apply the nail. There we go. Nice. See? Flawless. So now we are going to our big finger, and this one fits so perfect, but the edges are okay, this one fits perfectly, so we're gonna do this one. And for the big finger, because your big finger is so big, as I said, the big finger, you need a little bit more extra glue, but we're gonna tap off some same way, and then we are going to apply to get our flawless finish, just like that. And voila, we are done with this hand. Nice. A nice flawless finish. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. They're so pretty, right? So next we are going in with our next hand. I'm gonna do the next hand the same exact way. So from the small finger we're gonna go in, but these fingers need some more buffing, so I'm just gonna buff it a little more. You want to get it raggedy so that the glue will have something to stick to. I also buffed on my nail itself because of the way the design is. You want to buff it down so you don't have the nail showing through. So I buff all my nails down, cut them and buff them down so that they fit and do well. And now we're going to apply our press-ons. So first of all, we're going in with number 10 on the small finger, and this fits perfectly. So we're going to do this one, put our glue on, and then we are going to start from the bottom. Make sure there are no bubbles and press down. And you hold that down for a little bit, right? Because we're at gal and one nails I have to do every day. One thing I don't like to do is going to the salon and waiting. So I prefer to just get some press-on nails. And because I do hair, sometimes I have to break them off to do braids and stuff. So it makes no sense for me to go and get my nails done and then I have to break them off to do braids. So I just get some press-on nails, and those work wonders for me. So this one we are going to apply because it fits perfectly. I want to make sure we apply it perfect as well. I take some of the glue off, and then we are going in from the bottom and press that down. There we go. So gonna press and hold this one down. No bubbles, guys. Remember, you should not have any bubbles, because if you have bubbles, the nails will fall off faster, because when you're washing dishes and stuff like that, it will fall, water gets under the nail and it will fall off. Next, we're going in with our middle finger, and we're gonna take the one that fits. But before that, I realized I have a little thing right here. So we're gonna take that off, and we took it off. There you go. Take that off. Make sure our cuticle is pushed in. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to tell you to push your cuticles in. I did that earlier on my other arm, but I didn't do it on this one. So let me do it on this one. Push our cuticles in, and then we apply our lashes, right? So, yeah. Yes, girl. So my fingernail shape weird. Anyways, we're going into it with our middle finger, right? That's one doesn't fit, so neither does this. So we're gonna use this one because this one fits perfectly. And then we're going with our glue. Going with our glue, and we apply our nail like so. Make sure there are no bubbles, ladies. Oh, Jesus. Make sure there are no bubbles, guys. Because remember, the bubbles will make the nail fall off when you're washing dishes or doing anything concerning water. And we don't want the nail to fall off because the nails are supposed to last for 2 weeks. Well, I've worn it before and it lasted me for 2 weeks. But yeah, so we have 2 fingers left, as you can see. So we're gonna do those 2 right now. So this one is this, fits perfect. So we're gonna apply this one and then we'll apply our thumbnail and we are done. Yay. See, easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 easy, right? All right, let's go. Apply and hold. Apply and hold. No bubbles, guys. No bubbles. We don't want bubbles and clip. Next is this big finger, and this one is perfect. So we're gonna apply this one now, and yeah, we are done. I love these press-on nails. They're so stylish. They're long. And they were only $9, guys. They were only $9. So let's apply this one. Right? Remember, you go right down to the cuticle. Make sure no bubbles. It's okay if a little glue is being spilled out. We can fix that up with some. Just take a piece of napkin or something, or tissue, and wipe that excessive glue off. And then you're done. No bubbles, guys. No bubbles. Right? No bubbles. No bubbles. We don't want no bubbles. And a bubbles and clip. And there we have it. So now we're just gonna take some oil and we're just gonna take some oil, and we're just gonna put that. Ooh, shoot! Just gonna put that on our nail. Right? At our cuticle. And there you have it. Press-on nails. So that's it for my video today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for 624 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. And I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.